Hello and welcome to Motor Match Crewe. My name is Charlotte and today we'll be taking around this used vehicle. Introducing the Mercedes-Benz A Class AMG line that is just landed in stock. It does come complemented in the desired white paintwork, really contrasting well with those advanced features. It does come complete with your 1.3 petrol engine and efficient automatic transmission, making for a stylish and nippy city upgrade for any individual. Complemented by your AMG body styling, top features also include your LED high performance headlights for enhanced visibility, alongside 18-inch AMG 5 twin-spoke design alloys, power folding wing mirrors and even your parking sensors. The boot offers plenty of space to accommodate day-to-day items, whilst the part leather trim offers a further luxury with your contrasting and sporty red stitching and access to your central climate vents. The front does again house your stylish red stitching with your multifunctional steering wheel options for seamless navigation, with access to your digital cockpit and central display navigated using your central Mercedes controller. Again, you do have your part leather front trim with your heated function for the winter, followed by your various audio controls and even your cruise control and limiter options on the steering wheel to assist out on the open road. Of course, you do have your options to navigate around the cockpit display with all of your vital driving data and even your display of your built-in navigation system to assist when you are in those unfamiliar areas. Moving across, you do have similar access to your telephone connection and again your built-in navigation. This does also come complete with your points of interest, so you can quickly get to your nearest shop or petrol station in a hurry, alongside your wide variety of radio stations to keep you endlessly entertained. You do have your online connected options, including your app and store, alongside all of your vehicle information and engine consumption, so you can easily keep an eye on the overall condition. You do even have your owner's manual there as well, alongside all the vehicle settings, which does include things such as your assistance for further safety. Features do include your speed limiter assist, camera and parking, and your active brake assist, so you can be rest assured when you are out on the open road. And for a personalised driving experience, you do have access to your dynamic select with a choice of driving modes, including eco, comfort and sport. And to guide you into those awkward parking manoeuvres, you do even have access to your reversing camera and front and rear parking sensors, followed just below by your main climate options that does offer a dual system for a personalised temperature, followed by your central Mercedes controller and plenty of storage. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.